I should say welcome back to me. Yeah. Because I'm back from vacation. Did you miss me? Didn't even notice you were gone. Huh? Okay, well, I was gone for a while. Do you notice that I got a tan? No. You look a little blue. Okay. Yep, he's right about that. But anyway, we're back, and now we're going to start playing games again. Except next week we're doing a movie. Out time. I won't be here for the movie. That'll be Janky. Yeah. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the game. Tonight's game is Bughouse, and it's a little weird. A little weird? It's crazy. Yeah, it's a bit different, but we played it anyway, and we're going to let you watch it. So we'll be back here in just a little bit, about halfway through, and we got some mail and that type of stuff. Yeah, come back. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Bye. All right, we're back. Did you miss me? Mr. Howle here. And after a brief vacation, I'm back in the saddle. How about that? So we got a brand new game here called Bughouse. And I really don't know much about it. So we're just going to jump right into it and get to playing. Well, yeah. Actually, come think of it, that's kind of ominous. Alright, I see a dark screen. What is going on? Okay. I do not know what is happening. I can look around. So, yeah. Ah! Okay, so I can turn the lights on. Looks like maybe I just moved in here. Oh, cool. Oh, look, a picture. Oh, wait, there's something shiny. Crouch, maybe? I don't know. How do I get that? I don't know. Apparently, I need to learn the controls. One thing I like is, what is this? This is a bathroom? Is that a toilet, maybe? A bathroom with 3 doors? I can open a door. Whoa! Hello! I can open a door pretty simply. Looks like a candle, but I can't pick it up. Alright, we gotta figure a key out, something here. I mean, I know the movements. That's a lot of noise. And sadly, I don't think there's any audio. What was that? That sounded like a door. Alright. Note from Mom. Dear Christopher, I've left a list of chores for you to complete whilst we're away tonight. If you have any problems, give Nana a call. Please don't forget your pails. If anyone comes to the door or window tonight, please go to your closet and lock the door. Well, why would I do that? If the power goes out, the fuse box is in the basement. I love you so much, Christopher. Just know Papa is watching down on you. He was so proud of his little boy. Love, Mom. All right. I am quite thrilled to have a game that gives me chores. Clean up the dirt, do the dishes, do the laundry, food into dog bowl, take your pills. Okay. What we got here? French fries. Oh, all right. I'll do the dishes. All right. Let's see. Did we get them done? Apparently we got the laundry done too. Can't open the fridge. What? Look at that dirt. Well, crap. Looks like the power went out. There is some rather ominous music going on. So I got to find the basement. Not there. There we go. Well, good grief. How big is this basement? This is more like a dungeon. There we go. That was better. Oh, look. So I think all my chores but taking my pills ought to be done, right? Clean up the dirt on the floor is not done. Great. Thought I already did that. What? So let's do some more exploring. Empty hallway. Coke. I do not like the fact that I keep hearing doors. Oh, good grief. Wait, this was open before. Do we have a ghostie in the house that keeps turning the power off? Alright, so where do we need to go? I know not. I wish I could pick that up. I think that's a candle. But it's not giving me an option. What if I hit? No, no. Ah, there we go. Newspaper. Man found dead by 13-year-old boy. On October 31st, an unnamed child found his father hanging in their family home after a supposed divorce between the parents. Okay. That's not creepy at all. Well, at least we figured out how to crouch. Man, we're going to be all the way up here and that stupid power is going to go out again. Okay, that's kind of creepy. Oh, look, more dirt. I am such a dutiful boy. Move wall. Ha! Not creepy. Oh, diary. I found a hole in my closet. It's smelly and old, but I feel safe. Like nothing bad can happen to me in here. This is my own secret. If I told Dad, he would just cover it up and say it's dangerous. Eric was outside my window last night asking to come in and play, but when I asked Mom, she looked so scared and called Dad. Huh. When I told Eric he couldn't come in, he got so angry and walked away. I went to the hospital. The doctor said I should try writing in this journal to help them understand me. I don't want to, but my mom's making me. This feels stupid and so pointless. I agree 100%, Christopher. They were talking a lot, but I was listening until my mom started crying. I'm so used to her crying now, and Eric says she hates me. Well, Eric's not a very nice little boy, is he? He's probably right. Everyone does. No, that's not true, Christopher. Doctor gave me some pills. They make me tired. I'm always asleep. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, gee. I think the lights went out again. What am I hearing? Oh, wait. Something there. Flashy light. All right. Wonder how I turn the flashlight on. Oh, there we go. That door keeps closing. So we got a lot of the dirt cleaned up, but we still need to take our pails. Let's see if we got all the dirt. Come on, line up. Nope, there's still more dirt. Alright, we gotta go find, we can't open this yet, can we? Nope. Gotta find more dirt. More dirt. Looking for the dirt. There was nothing this way. That just goes down. Okay. You know what? I don't care. I have a... Oh, there's dirt! Oh, more dirt! All right. I wonder if we finally got all the dang dirt. Wait, there's a door. It feels like the upstairs is bigger than the down. I probably ought to save my flashy light. Again with this door being closed. Oh, I wonder if that was it. I just heard the door close. And it is closed. Still more dirt? Why is the phone off the hook? What am I missing? Ah, there's dirt. There's a pizza on the floor. Well, something just slid. Come on, George List. Yay! Now, Seems to me our pills ought to be in the bathroom, right? I mean, that's what makes the most sense. Of course. Door's still open this time. This game is called Bughouse, and I have not seen a single bug. Wait, I went that way. We gotta go this way. Could the pills be in my room? You'd think they'd be in here, right? Oh, there. Look. Okay, then. All right, we're back. What'd you think of the first half?
Not to my taste, really.
Yeah, it was kind of weird, a little stalky. Little kid running around a haunted house.
Was it really haunted?
I don't know. Doors were opening and closing on their own. But other than that, there didn't seem to be like a whole lot of ghost activity.
No, kind of empty, like your head. Ha!
All right, anyway, we do have a letter this week.
Really?
Yep, we got one letter, and I'm going to read it to you.
I can't wait.
Okay, here we go. It's from somebody named Sting.
What kind of name is Sting?
I don't know. It's it's just a name. What kind of name is Otis?
A good one.
All right, it says, every breath you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every step you take, I'll be watching you. Every single day, every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. Oh, can't you see, you belong to me, how my poor heart aches with every step you take.
Sounds like the police to me.
Huh? Okay, so that was our one and only letter this week. Strangely enough, we didn't get anything from Punny Brewster.
Yeah, maybe she's on vacation.
Well, I don't know. But if you would like to write us, you can send us an email right here. Or if you would like to snail mail us, you can send us email or snail mail or whatever to this address right here.
You kind of suck at this, you know.
I'm not that bad.
Yeah, you really are.
Well, what do you know about this kind of stuff, Otis, Mr. Wise, and been around everything?
Well, I know my neighbor has been stalking me.
And just how do you know that?
I can watch him through my telescope. Ah!
Why?
Think about it. It'll come to you.
All right, whatever. Kind of silly. Have you ever done any stalking, Otis?
Well, yeah. In my younger days, I did a little online stalking.
Really? How'd you do that?
I used Windows.
Huh? Oh, goodness. I'm starting to understand why Punny Brewster didn't send anything in.
Yeah, figured it out, did you?
All right. So, do you have one more?
You think you deserve it?
No, but I'm probably going to get it anyway.
Oh, good. You're starting to catch on. Huh? Anyway, in my younger day, I used to be quite the gardener.
Oh, a gardener. Really? So, like flowers and stuff?
Yeah.
Well, that's a nice hobby. What happened with that?
Had to give it up. Someone kept cutting the heads off the flowers.
What?
Yeah, they were stalking me. Ha!
All right, I get it. That's not good.
It's better than what you got.
Well, maybe. But anyway, let's get back to the game.
This game is getting really weird.
Yeah, it's about to get really weird. But let's get back to it, finish the game off, and we'll be back here in just a few minutes. Bye. It sounds like somebody's hammering. Hi, Christopher. It's Eric. Oh, okay. Good grief. I think I can hear him walking. So what do I do? Just sit here? Okay. Music went down. Maybe I'm safe. Oh, wrong way. Ah! Okay. I do not appear to be in Kansas no more. Okay. Well, I thought this was like a upside down version of the basement, but not exactly. Pretty close. Lots of creepy face. See, that's just like in that hallway. Oh. Lovely. Bloody note. Oh, wow. Huh. All right, this took a rather unsavory turn. Am I in the upside down? I am. Nope, that's just creep face. We went down there. I feel like that should have been my bedroom. Whoa. Oh, there we go. All right. Diary number 2. Hello, shadowy person. Well, all right, I'm flummoxed. I can honestly say I have no idea what I'm doing at this point. Nope. All right, I'm confused. Don't I need to go down? Yeah, all right. Can't go out the front door. Oh, that's a new voice. That's probably me, right? In the upside down. All right, this went from being a little creepy to downright sad. Now maybe there'll be something in the basement. I don't know. Nope, it just ends. I don't know what to do. So we went that way. We went this way. This was the crying kid. Hey, shut up. Out this way is the hanging dad. Can't do anything to those. Oh, there's another light. Okay. Whoa! Lots and lots of pills. Okay, so, mayhap Eric and Christopher are the same person. Yada, yada, yada. All right, this is getting real exciting. And by that, I mean not at all. Come on, something. I guess we'll try the basement again. There we go. Oh, lovely. I appear to be in a padded cell. Okay. All right, so I'm a nut job. Okay. Well, that's going to be it for now. Thank you for watching. This game was only like $2. Like either $1.69 or $2.69, something like that. Really cheap. Really, really cheap. So, we got almost 40 minutes of gameplay out of it. So, all right. Not exactly stellar, but it was different. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And remember, don't be janky! All right. Well, that was the game. What'd you think? What'd you think, Otis?
That got really, really dark. Didn't quite see where it was going.
No, me either. You know, I kind of had a feeling about what was up with the kid, but there were some things in there I was not expecting.
Still, hope you didn't pay much for it.
No, that game was like, I can't remember if it was $1.69 or $2.69.
You got that number on the brain, don't you?
No, there's really not much anything on my brain.
Huh, no kidding.
Huh. Anyway, that's the show for this week, folks. So, we're back. We're going to try and post about every week or so. But, whatever happens, happens.
Yeah.
And, if you like Otis, and me doing this together, let us know down in the comments.
Yeah, good luck with that.
But, anyway, we'll be back next... Oh, no, we won't.
Why not?
Janky's going to be here next week.
Oh, joy.
Yeah, Janky will be doing a movie.
I like movies. Can't be as boring as you.
Well, we'll see about that, because Janky will be here next week watching a movie, and I hear tell he has a little something of his own.
Oh, good grief.
Anyway, we'll see you when we see you, and until then, remember, don't be janky! Bye.